In this video, we are going to see how we can change our location on the Roblox account. So whether you are using the PC, mobile version, app version, or whatever, option is applicable for all. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking this video, and let's move right into this guide. So first of all, what we do is just log into our Roblox account. Head over to the roblox.com and sign in with your credentials. And once you are done, all we need to do is just head over to the gear icon, click on that and click on help and safety. From here, we will choose help center. And once we are in here, what we'll do is we will find here Roblox account, or you can get the help for Roblox account directly from here. Click on that. And from here, we will just type in the search articles account location, and we click on that. And as we can see, how do I change my location? If we scroll this, it says Roblox automatically detects and updates your account location. We do not collect precise geolocation and instead rely on general regional location over a period of time. So one way of doing this is using a VPN and switch to some other location, so that way it will automatically detect some different location. Or otherwise, if you want this to be changed by the Roblox team, what you can do is just head over to roblox.com, and after that, instead of home, just right here support, we need to raise a support ticket for it, so that the Roblox team can contact us and we can tell our precise reason to change the location. And from here, we will just write our username. That is optional. First name is also optional. We will write our email. We will write our confirm email. And the issue is for the type PC. We will select here whatever device you are logged in with. You can choose that. And from here, we'll choose how to. And in the subcategory, how to change my location, we'll write that. And you can read this article and describe your issue, and then just write a simple thing like this. And username, make sure we select any username here, and make sure to select the ID as well. And then we hit continue. It will ask you to solve this puzzle. All we have to do is just match the direction. The character is in and it is done. Verification is complete. Now the support ticket is raised. It will either continue to chat. And as you can see, could you please tell me why you want to change location? Because I am moving to UAE next month, and all my Roblox friends are from that region. So as we can see here as well, that they're not able to change the manual location, although they will still contact you for some assistance after some time has passed, but they cannot decide that time. Once you switch to that specific region, it will be automatically updated. So it's best option to use a VPN in order to quickly change your location on Roblox, and that is how we do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.